Welcome to Botbiz. Today in this video we will show you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot based on keyword replies. Let's see how to create a WhatsApp chatbot based on keyword replies from the Botbiz dashboard. At first, go to the Bot Manager menu of the dashboard. Select the bot account for which you want to create the WhatsApp chatbot. Then click on the bot reply. To create a WhatsApp chatbot, just click on the Create button under the bot reply settings. Instantly, an editing page called Visual Flow Bot Builder Canvas will appear. Here on the left side of the canvas, you will see a document menu with 11 components. Also, on the top right side of the canvas, you will see 5 buttons. However, when you reach the Visual Flow Bot Builder, you will see that the Start Bot Flow component to give a name to your bot. You have to double-click on it. Instantly, a Configure Reference modal will appear on the top right side of the canvas. Give a name in the title field. Optionally, choose a level and select a sequence. Then click on the OK Radio button for saving purposes. Let's add a trigger to the basic bot. From the document menu, select and drag the trigger onto the canvas and drop on it. Now double-click on the trigger. Instantly, a Configure Trigger modal will appear on the top right side of the canvas. Give a keyword such as hello, hi, start for the conversation to take place in real time between the customer and the chatbot. Then hit the OK button to save it. Drag the cursor from the trigger output socket to the reference input trigger socket of the Start Bot Flow. Yes, the trigger has been added successfully. Then drag the cursor from the next socket of Start Bot Flow and drop it onto the canvas. Here you will see several options for choosing any component. Let's say we select the interactive component. Configure it. Double-click on it. A Configure text message will appear on the top right side of the canvas. Here you will see a message header, message body, message footer. At the last option, you can set a delay time period in a reply message. We can configure the message without any header or footer, but we must fulfill the message body. You may also choose text or an image from the message header. Now fill up the fields according to your business and click on the OK button to save it. However, you will see the interactive sockets called Next Buttons, etc. In this situation, we choose the button socket to create 3 inline buttons. So drag and drop our cursor onto the canvas. Instantly, an inline button component will appear. Double-click on it and type a name in the button text field. Select the button type. It may be new postback, unsubscribe, resubscribe, chat with human, chat with robot, etc. Here we select new postback, then hit the OK button. Yes, a new postback has appeared. Similarly, configure the other 2 inline button components. Now we have to configure the new postback components. To configure it, double-click New Postback. Fill in the title field with a name and click the OK button. Repeat the task to get the other new postback components. Foreign, we can select any component of the list. It may be text, audio, video, condition, and so on. However, in this step, we choose again an interactive component. So configure it in a similar way. Similarly, we want to take 3 inline buttons from the button socket of the interactive component. Foreign. Type a name in the button text field. Select the button type. Here we select New Postback. Then hit the OK button. Yes, a new postback has appeared. Similarly, configure the other 2 inline button components. Therefore, 3 new postbacks appeared instantly. Now configure them and hit the OK button to save them. Let's add a user input flow component with those new postback components. Foreign. Double-click on the user input flow component. Instantly, a modal form will appear. Select Add New Input Flow in the User Input Flow field. Give a name in the campaign name field. Then hit the OK button to save it. Instantly, a new question component will appear. Double-click on that new question component. In the Configure New Question form, there are two question types, free keyboard input and multiple choice. Here we select the free keyboard input. Now, to configure it, fill up the modal and click the OK button. Then, drag our cursor from the final reply socket and drop it onto the canvas. Now we have to configure the new postback, so double-click on it, fill up all the fields, and hit the OK button. At last, to give a final message for the customer, we have to select the text component. Double-click on the text component, configure it, and save it carefully. Here are two existing new postback components with a similar process. Yes, now you can save the bot by clicking that Save button, which is on the top right side of the canvas. Finally, the bot has been successfully created. First, go to WhatsApp. Now let us check the bot, write the keyword and send it. Wait and see. Okay, the WhatsApp chatbot has run successfully. So, this is how to create a WhatsApp chatbot based on keyword replies. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.